Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. Let's build! It's building time! We're gonna build the LEGO Friends Dolphin Rescue Mission, where we're gonna go. We're gonna rescue some dolphins, or a dolphin, because it just says Dolphin Rescue Mission, not dolphin. Actually, no, that wouldn't work anyway. Yeah, let's just slice this open before I get too distracted, and let's see what's inside the box. Well, there's lots and lots of pieces we have to put together, but that's what I like about LEGO. That would be the point of LEGO. We've got 3 bags, we've got instructions, we've got stickers, and we've got some mini dolls. The main LEGO Friends character in this set, well, the only LEGO Friends character in this set is Stephanie. Stephanie is, well, she's off on a dolphin rescue mission apparently, and she's got her hair, but she's going to need not her hair for her scuba diving. So first up, she's going to need some flippers, and we'll remove her hair, and we shall put on some altered hair. So she's going to have, this is going to be her scuba diving helmet, because we put the little scuba diving masky thing on the front. And ta-da, she's all set to go and, I keep saying this, but to go and rescue some dolphins. Not that I've seen any dolphins yet. And you know what? We're not going to see any dolphins for a little while, because they're not in this bag. However, in this bag there is another mini doll who is also in a wetsuit. So she's obviously going to be joining us on this dolphin rescue. Oh, I like her face print. That's really nice. Now this is Kacey. She is supposed to be like their, I don't know, they're an enemy or their rival, but she's actually not got she doesn't have an evil looking face print. So I think she's going to end up being okay in the end, but I don't really know. But she is going to need a scuba helmet to actually be able to survive underwater. She's got some black flippers, which is pretty cool. So she's going to flipper her way over here next to Stephanie, and they're going to hang out or just stare at each other while we build some more things. Because what they, well, as a side quest, because we need side quests, there's a purple treasure chest and it's filled, it's chock full of treasure. We've put in a couple of little crystals here. We're just putting in a few more, ooh, heart-shaped ones. Here's a blue heart-shaped one. And I think that treasure chest is about as full as, I reckon we could fit more in there, but that's all we've got for now. That's all the instructions say. That now they can stare at the treasure chest instead of each other while we build whatever this is. It's actually starting off looking like a video camera. But it could be a video camera, because the girls have actually been documenting their adventures under the sea. So it could be like a really fancy video camera that you dive around with, maybe? Let's see. We'll find out as we build more anyway. It always becomes clear as we keep building. Oh, it's got a spinny thing. It's got like a propeller. Okay, so this is not, it's not actually a video camera. Though I think the blue thing on the front's supposed to be a light, though we could pretend it's nah, it's not a video camera. So this is actually to propel the girls down under the water. I'm sure it has a proper name, I don't know what it is, but they're gonna be using it to help them go down so they don't actually have to use their flippers. This is the energy source that gets them down under the water. And there's claws there to be able to help detach things or carry things or bring things back up. All right, let's see what we've got now. We've got a little watery patch here with a new seaweed piece. I love this. And in that crate, we have got our new map. And it's just kind of sitting in there under the water. And when we wet it, we've already seen this within the previous sets, it shows that there is a heart-shaped island. It doesn't really tell us where. And in there is also a bottle. Ooh, so we've got mystery, we've got adventure, we've got a rescue to do, though we still have not seen any dolphins or a submarine, but we'll get to that. Let's actually build a submarine so that they can venture down under the water, and well, we'll see where that takes them. They could go down to actually rescue the dolphin, or they could go down to retrieve the treasure. Oh, okay. All right. It's all getting way too exciting, and there's so many things still to build. So we are getting going. We're doing very well with our submarine. These are going to be the little propulsionary, is that even a word? To propel it forwards through the water. So the things that propel it, the propulsioners. I'm just making words up, I think. And some little claws on the front to be able to hold on to things. This one's just holding onto an anchor, a random anchor. And we're up to bag number 2. Maybe we'll meet a dolphin in bag number 2. Oh, look, see, I knew that was coming. There's a dolphin. This dolphin doesn't look like she needs rescuing. So let's continue on with the submarine because there is a very special dolphin. A dolphin we've never seen before so far in the Lego sets. A brand new dolphin, but we're not going to be meeting it just yet. So we've got to keep building. Let's keep building and then we will get to all the dolphin excitement. But it looks like, speaking of excitement, we have already got a place here for the driver to sit. Do you call it a driver in a submarine? Does someone drive a submarine? It just seems so weird. There must be another word. I mean, you're like, who's driving the submarine today, Ethel? Oh, I think it's my turn, Phyllis. Right, well, all right, get in and start driving. It just sounds weird. Actually, it's all just a bit weird. Okay, concentrating on what we're actually building is nice. We've got these things with little holes at the back. So that has to be the back if the driving area, the guiding, the driving seat. This is going to make my head hurt because I'm sure it's a different word. But back here we've got some things I do know the names for. So there's a baby's bottle here, and there's a syringe. So these are for the rescue part of the mission. So if the dolphin gets itself into some trouble, which I think it probably will, that's where we can pop them in the little back of the submarine. That's cute. Now these things here are kind of like little, they're big lights. They can be like big floodlights so that they can really get some light down into the area where they're searching. And the driving section at the front, the cabin. So that bit's called the cabin. but these are not for the cabin. These are for the back. So we're gonna be able to open both of these up completely so that we can actually access in there to be able to pop the rescue dolphin in there. This here looks like it's got little lights. We're gonna stick her on there and let's put Stephanie in. She can be the first driver. And that holds her in quite steadily. Nice. Okay, we've got our rescue stickers on here, and they are going to go over the top of the cabin. It's all rounded over very beautifully. The colours are so fresh and summery, and this blue globe rounds over the front very nicely. It was a blue half globe. Now, these things. These are the things that are going to propel, maybe, the thrusters? The things that are going to make it go forward, and we can actually angle them. And here we could put the treasure chest in here too. Let's not bother rescuing dolphins. Let's just get some treasure. It's multi-purpose. And that's holding Stephanie quite snugly in there, except it's falling off because we've still got some more things to put here on the top. Okay, we've got a nice big round circle here, which is holding that on a bit more securely. And there's a little tail fin, which we need to put stickers on either side of. Put that on the back. And one more thing we need, because submarine, it's got to have a periscope. So here is the periscope, that uppy downy thing so that you can look outside. And the dolphin's coming for a bit of a look. And the dolphin's coming in. There is room for a dolphin in there, though. Nobody's going to be able to see where they're going. We're up to bag number 3, which means we'll let this big mummy dolphin out because Stephanie has to go for a swim around to meet the new baby dolphin. Look at this little cutie pie. For the first time, we have got a baby dolphin, and the mummy dolphin has been searching for her high and low, but they are reunited now. Oh, look at that. You can stack them. Oh, stackable dolphins. Actually, they don't quite stack that well. So well. They don't stack that way so well. So we'll turn them around. That's so adorable. Stephanie's beside herself with excitement. Right, so we have got a baby dolphin, which is who I think we're probably rescuing. Now, it's all up to you and your story. You can be rescuing whoever you want, but we have now got a little heart-shaped base plate going on here. Oh, I wonder what little underwater scene we're actually creating here. I love that bright yellow round piece. That's so pretty. I don't know that I have any bright yellow round pieces like that. It's so vibrant and it just makes me happy looking at yellow. All right, I'm trying to think what's going on here. We've definitely got rocks surrounding whatever this reddy brown thing is that we are building. So it's all underwater because it's on that blue base plate. And there are some fishies, so definitely underwater. Oh, fish and a little clamshell over here on this little yellow piece. And we are creating... I know what this is because I saw it in the picture. This is the shipwreck. So this is... I'm really curious to see how this is all going to go together. So it's a shipwreck And this is also going to be where the dolphin needs rescuing from. But I love all these stones, these little like stone archways that we're building around it. And the little colourful bits are kind of like coral around it too. Oh, it's pretty. It's not just pretty, it's cool. It's really cool. Oh, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. No, it's really cool. Okay, we've got some wood grain now on these little planks. And okay, we're making a really nice shape of the hull of the boat here. And there's this, I wonder what that sticky out ball bearing is for. But now we've got an anchor over here, different way to build an anchor, and some green seaweedy things hiding a little alcove here. I reckon this is for the baby dolphin. She can hang out over here. That's so adorable. That's so cute. And the clamshell is being hidden behind this little bit of seaweed too. I like these little hidden compartments. They're very cute. Okay, Mummy Dolphin has come over, keeping an eye on that baby dolphin, which I would be doing too. And let's see what the next bit is, because it's not immediately clear as you're building. It's obviously going to be a part of the shipwreck, but we're currently using branches. Well, what generally get used for branches, though they're a shape that you can use for all sorts of things. And we've got a pole sticking out of it, and some seaweed sticking out of it as well, and another shell on here. This shipwreck has been down here for quite some time. There's an octopus making its home on this section as well. And this, I think, might be the front of the boat. Do you think? I think it might be. All right, I'm going with that being the front of the boat, which I don't know what the actual name is for the front of the boat. So it's the front bit of the boat. And now we've got, this is going to be a hingey thing. We've got some really vibrant pink happening on it. And some more of these branch pieces to help create the shape properly. You've got some big arch pieces as well. And on the top, those are on the wrong way around. There we go. That's making like the little, it's like the above decks and the below decks part, but decayed, and so you've got nice big holes in it. And we've got some seaweed going on. It's hooked onto this little balcony area here. Actually, is that the front of the boat? I don't know. It must be the front of the boat, because that's where the steering wheel is, and there's a paddle underneath the steering wheel, which it only goes little bits from side to side because it stops it from going too far. Well, this is looking very intriguing. So this goes, so this is the back. This is definitely the back of the boat, which is where you put a steering wheel. I know so much about boats. I know almost nothing about boats. I know they're supposed to be able to float in the water though, so this one's not doing that very effectively. But I do also know that they're going to need a mast, or this one would have originally needed a mast if it was an old-fashioned one, which is going to need some sail power, some wind power, and these are apparently the sails that it actually sailed by, so I'm not surprised it didn't get very far, because they're all tatty. How are these things going to catch the wind? Oh. Okay, so they probably got tatty afterwards. And that's going to be like the little crow's nest up the top. And there's a starfish has made its home up near the top of the mast. And this is the ship's flag, which you can see is a bit destroyed. It's a bit worse for wear, but that's the emblem of whatever this ship was before, the Dolphin heart. Something like that, I think it would have been called. And this goes in here, and it's completely movable, so it can fall down on the poor little dolphins that are sitting down underneath. That's gonna be the rescue! So, there's also a ball. A token ball, a random ball for the baby dolphin to play with, probably while the dolphin's in the rescue area and being cared for. So you can actually take the treasure out, put it in this spot here, and you can turn the wheel to flip it out of its hiding place. That's clever. That's also pretty cool, or really cool. So Stephanie can use the scuba scooter thing. I'm calling it a scuba scooter because I think it sounds like a good name. She can use that with the little claws to come and take the treasure away, but she's knocked the mast over and she's she's injured the poor little dolphin. So we need to bring in our submarine, or Kacey's submarine, who's currently on the side of good at the moment rather than evil, because she, you know, everyone has to band together to actually look after the baby dolphin and take the baby dolphin back up to the rescue lighthouse. And Stephanie can take her scuba scooter, and she can take the treasure as well, because you don't want to be leaving that behind. And I don't think the mummy dolphin's going to be left behind either, so everyone's basically gone now. Okay, we've finished building the set. It's got a baby dolphin in it, but apart from that, with the submarine and the cool underwater sunken shipwreck thing, it's really, really pretty to look at even after you've built it, and it's so much fun to play with too, and it's fun to build it. I mean, it's fun the whole way through. Now, we've only got one more of the rescue mission sets, the one with the baby turtles to build. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. Make sure you leave a comment. Let me know what you thought about this set and the baby dolphin. Aww. And I'll see you with a new video very, very soon. Bye.